am feeling this look with the scarf, like a little short here with little bumps at the end. This is kind of cute. Yo, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Abby, coming right back at you with another. We need to take that again. Yo, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Abby, coming right back at you with another video. And today I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look with this lace front wig. Make sure you keep on watching, but first go follow me on Instagram at ISSA. And what else? Oh yeah, like this video and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to join our gang. Hey, so we can hang. All right. So yeah, let's just get into this video. I'm just kind of confused with the cut of this because in the picture on the website it has it that one side is shorter than the other, but this is clearly the same length on each side. So I don't know what's going on with that, but the hair feels really good. That I can say for sure. Anyway, I'm gonna cut the lace and then try to fix this up. So as always, I'm gonna go in like a zigzag motion, and I'm gonna take my time and show you guys how I do this. As you can see, it is kind of bleached, so I don't have to go ahead and bleach it again. Okay, so we just cut off the lace. Let's see how it's looking. That lace is flawless. Oh my gosh. So that's the lace. Doing absolutely nothing to it. No bleaching, no plucking, no nothing. And that looks pretty natural. This hair is a really weird shape right now. It's like giving me a weird 60s whatever era vibe where the top is more voluminous than the bottom. We're not trying to do that. Like, those days are gone. So I'm gonna try and bump it a bit. And I'll be back in a few minutes to show you guys the final results.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back. So I'm just going to take off the head tie and see what the results are. This head tie, it matches my top, so which was not intentional, but I feel like this is like a cute little sailor girl look. I think I would rock it like this. I don't know, what do you guys think of the head tie? I like the head tie with it. It's super cute. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you're interested in seeing where I got this wig from, and if you want all the information, don't worry about it. All the details will be in the description box below, so make sure you go check out the description to figure out to find out or to find all of the information that you need concerning this wig. The lace is phenomenal. I literally didn't do anything to it. I just bumped the ends a bit because I found it looked a little too weird just leaving it straight. But you could curl it, you could flat iron it, you could part it wherever you want. You could glue it down for a longer, more long-lasting, more secure installation. But again, all the details will be in the description box. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.